Like other successful companies, we are growing constantly and are an innovative product leader in our industry. And yet, we are different. Inspiringly different. Because we follow our own path. A path determined not by figures, but by passion. A passion that drives us to inspire customers every day. Today, over 100 countries prepare food with Rational. Over 1 million units are used globally, for example in canteens in Beijing, hot food stalls in Mumbai, or scene lofts in Sao Paulo. Meanwhile, over 130 million meals per day are cooked with Rational units around the world. This makes us the solution provider for hot food preparation. With over 2,000 employees, we work hard to ensure we offer our customers maximum benefit day in, day out. So it is no wonder that the majority of our employees are chefs. They are always on hand to offer advice and support our customers' operations because they are entrepreneurs. Identifying with the ideas of Rational, they are able to make decisions and take responsibility. As such, our factories produce cooking systems that set new standards for our industry. From planning to initial setup, we support chefs and restaurateurs. Even after the purchase, we offer comprehensive service, high-level consultancy and training throughout the product lifecycle. Over almost 5 decades, one good idea has grown into a tailored range of services. Products for all applications in every size, equipped with high-quality electronics and practical intelligence. Rational stands for a good idea, multiplied with passion and inspiration, for values oriented to the customer and people, and for the endeavor to keep making a good idea even better every day. The rest is history. And the future. Because our passion never stops.